Glimmer Mist. It is versatile. It is addictive. This is the bottle. These are the bottles I have so far. There's 2 duplicates in here. I have 2 bottles of Pashmina, and one of them is really low, and I got another one so that I will never run out. And this is the full bottle. And then right here, where is it? Where did it go? Yeah, this is the bottle that's running low. So once this one gets used a little bit more, or once I use this one a little bit more, I can pour the rest of it into here and then reuse this bottle to make my own Glimmer Mist using Perfect Pearls. Which, if you don't know how to do, all you do is take water, add some Perfect Pearls, you got your own Glimmer Mist. So that's basically, my point of this video is to ask you guys what your favorite color of Glimmer Mist is. I have several colors, and as you can see, there are 32 bottles here, so 31 colors. And I want to know what color I should get next. So, yeah, I know you might mention what I already have, but I want to see what your favorite Glimmer Mist color is so that I can figure out what color to buy next. Thanks, guys, for your input. I appreciate it in advance. I got pomegranate from my friend Kima. She's on here. Joe Kima. Or Kima. I can't remember what her YouTube name is. I think it's just Joe Kima. Or Joe Kimify. There we go. And so she recommended pomegranate. I got it and I love it. So my battery's running low. Bye-bye.